Hey, I'm Deanna. Welcome to my channel. It's been a while since I posted a video, so I thought this would be a good time to reintroduce myself and give a channel update. But first, I'd like to thank all of you for your views, your comments, your subscribes. That really means a lot to me. And if you're brand new here, welcome. I am so glad you found my channel. Even though I wasn't posting videos, I was still reading your comments and answering as many questions as I could. So where was I? Well, I'll get to that in just a minute. But first, let me introduce myself. I'm an artist with a passion for teaching and inspiring creativity in others. Even at a very young age, I wanted to grow up to be an artist. I've always loved to paint and draw. I studied visual fine arts in university, and I've had many creative career paths like graphic designer, painter, sign maker, and I've even worked in communications and marketing. As a professional artist, I specialize in custom decorative finishes. I have refined my craft to transform both residential and commercial spaces into unique works of art. I like to use a diverse range of materials like paint, plaster, and concrete to create stunning finishes that elevate the aesthetic of the environment. My approach combines traditional techniques with modern innovation, allowing me to design textures, colors, and patterns that bring character, depth, and individuality to walls, ceilings, and surfaces. Whether it's a sophisticated hand-painted mural in a commercial space or a warm, inviting finish in a residential home, I love creating finishes that enhance the physical space, but they also evoke a mood and atmosphere. I've had the opportunity to share some of my knowledge by professionally teaching hands-on artistic workshops. Topics like how to chalk paint furniture or different faux finishes like faux wood grain or rust and various DIY projects. I enjoyed teaching and inspiring students so much that I started this channel as a way to teach and reach people all over the world. When I started this channel, I didn't know anything about filming or editing videos. I had taught a few DIY segments on a local TV show, so I got to see the behind the scenes of that production, which was really cool, but I really had no idea how much work was involved until I got started. So if you're wondering, no, I don't do this full time, but that would be amazing if one day I could. Like many other content creators, I do have a full-time job and I make these videos in my spare time. Starting this channel and making these videos has been a lot of work, but I really enjoy the process, and I am lucky to say that I have an awesome family who have helped me along the way with support and encouragement. I can't forget to mention my husband, who occasionally makes an appearance in a video. He is always helping me with the heavy lifting and things behind the scenes, and he's a great sounding board for ideas because he too has a great eye for art and design. And we can't forget the stars of the show, Tito and Luna. I get so many comments about these guys. I'm glad you guys are enjoying seeing them in my videos. They really are great companions to have around while I'm working in the studio. And don't worry, they'll make an appearance again from time to time. Anyway, to keep a long story short, my husband and I sold our home where my YouTube studio was located. During our move, I took a break from content creation. Settling into our new home, setting up my new studio space, it all took a lot longer than I anticipated, but I'm excited to say my space is now ready and I'm happy to be back in the studio filming videos for you. I documented the process of creating my new backdrop. You can see a little bit of it behind me here. I'll be posting that video soon, so if you'd like to be alerted when that goes live, remember you've got to click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell so that you get an alert when the video goes live. My plan for this channel is to continue to teach art techniques like furniture painting, DIY home decor, and custom decorative finishes. And my goal is to post one video per month. I want to create content that has value for you, topics that spark creativity when you watch it. I hope to offer inspiration and ideas that are both engaging and accessible. So whether you're a beginner or a seasoned artist, I aim to provide tools, techniques, and ideas that will help you explore your creative potential. These videos are for you, so let me know in the comments below. What would you like to learn? What topics are you most looking forward to? Even just comment below and say hi and let me know where in the world you're watching from today. I love to hear from you. I'm looking forward to building an online community filled with inspiration, encouragement, and support for each other. And I'm excited to be on this DIY journey with you. Every time you comment, like, or share this video, it lets YouTube know that you're enjoying my content. The more interaction I get, the more YouTube promotes my videos to other viewers. So if you enjoyed this video, please take a moment, click the like button, leave a comment, subscribe, or share with a friend. I really appreciate your support. Well, that's it for this video. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you back here next time.